it like Montana. Yeah, I'm pretty good at this is really mean. I pray to home and it's just me. I pray to play it down, play the prayer, no. It's me and you and everything to say, I pray to all the life and all the death. Chillin' in Ocean Beach, sunny and 619. On Brian Street, we be jamming in the shade, we jamming on the microphone with the big facts, with the big fire, with the motherfucking aim, with the boss now, with the Juno, with the bowling, with the bass, we got Jerry on the bass now. We be jamming in Ocean Beach, like yo, when you hear it loud now. We be chillin', we be chillin', we be chillin', now. Patient at the day, scheming up some better plans. Plenty of them, a baker's dozen in every man. You can catch me patient at the base, scheming up some better plans. Hey, plenty of them, a baker's dozen in the oven, man. This is a social enterprise, and it's a generative dub. Second generation, front and back, it's good. To me, it's life force, a high school sit through you. I'm doing light work, that's why it's headed to you. Give me something, I'm really fun thing. I want that one thing, to feel the fun thing. Yeah. Give me something, I want that one thing. To give me. I wanted something. Hey, I really want that shit. Get it right, we don't want that shit. I really want that shit. Take a breath and medicate. Step to the side and set straight. What that means is wait, to a certain rate.
My back. Alright, thank you. Sorry. My back is so fucking dry.
Take a breath and medicate. Step to the side, set straight. Take a breath and medicate. I'm just playing around, bro.
No, this shit's fire. Keep it going.
Okay. Take a breath and medicate. Step to the side, set straight now. When that creates a heavy weight, all you gotta do is sit great now. Hey, learn these ways, so you don't suffocate the lap this, grab this, lap this, with back flips, and this grab this catalyst. Yeah, let's take a crack at this. Yeah. Take a breath and medicate. Take a breath and medicate. Step to the side and set it straight. When that creates a heavy weight, all you gotta do is serve great. Look, learn these ways so you don't suffocate. Look, bad this, grab this, and laugh at this with backflip. And here's rap as a catalyst. Let's take a crack at this magnificence, man. Listen to this and consider this righteousness. Fight the spliffing. Get your mind at the other. Oh, man, when it's fun alone. Pretty good and we can praise around. Yeah. Whoa. Baby boy, where you going? Hello. There's a subtle vibe. This one's called Subtle Vibe. Robot. I am a robot here too. I am here to strangle you. Take me to your leader. I am here for your precious metals. We want Ukraine. Give me Ukraine. I want Ukraine. I want rare. Rare minerals. Nipple. Star Wars. farm innocent people. Oh, people. What the fuck? Oh, bitty bow. This is a dizzy kind of voice. What the fuck does that mean? Voice from the cave. I'm in a cave. Hello, Pop Electro, let's go. Every time I see that shit, it's like techno, better be about a move. Oh shit. Hello.
You're making me try to figure out this pattern on the bass. I'm all
Sucker, la rosita, let me get a little taste of that. Sucker, la rosita, let me get a little taste of that. Let me get a little hit. Sucker, la rosita, let me get a little taste of that. Let me get a hit. Sucker, la rosita, let me get a little taste of that. Let me get a hit, bro. Hey. Biggie Smalls. I be on that boy. What you are hearing is not what you wanted, and what you are seeing is not what you got. It's a smoke in the mirror that makes me demonic. See what I mean? And it went out and got like every other motherfucker that's on it. You see me golden, then I roll up this on it. You get the picture, bitches on like a false head. Hate the devil, shit just like I'm a Jerry, you're done?
Anthony is the bass player.
Pretty much. Every day when you came in here, I was like, uh-oh.
I was trying to copy him.
Female, with them on wood. What you want? Yeah, pray to God that this is really me. I pray that all my energies are me. Yeah, I pray to play, don't play the prayer. No, it's me and you and everything stay up. I pray to all of life and all of death. I treat you all like you and no attack. Cause we keep living like there's nothing there. I pray my heart can write the hardest stress. I swear to God the answer's in your breath. You walk on water with your consciousness. You walk on water with your consciousness. Give me a reason. Give me a bit. Big Smalls in his mouth. When I wake up, when I feel a rosy breeze close to me, it's so opening, hitting different dopamines. I don't need to try focusing, it's always in the background, helping me cope with things that get me shook till I shake it off. I just get rid of slips in outfit shit. Go ahead, check it out again, you might get it now. I get it, yo. You ain't into that. Better yet, where's my pistol at? Get my whip back. Choose my get your house. When I wake up, all I feel is rosy breeze close to me. It's so opening. Hitting different dopamines. I don't even try focusing. It's always in the background, helping me cope with things. I love that shit. I fucking really love that. I need that shit so bad. Oh my god, it puts me in a trance. Yeah, it's so worth it. Oh fuck. Pray to God that this is really me. I pray with all my energies are meaning. I pray to play, don't play the prayer. No, it's me and you and everything stay up. I pray to all of life and all of death. Yeah, I pray my heart can write the hardest stress. Ooh, I treat you all like you and Uncle Tag now. Cause we keep building like there's nothing love. Ooh, I swear to God the answer's in your breath. Cause you know what the fuck is love. I forgot my lyrics. I don't really need to remember lyrics. Cause I hear it. Hey, brother. Can I play? Yeah. Horny.